a sight for sore eyes, rolling out of bed covered in rice. Must have been a good night, your bed's drowned in shite, singing things about me in a tree with berries. Big bellies, big tellies, believe it. Chromecast only works if you unplug the toaster. Shame about the bread inside. I decided to take her to the chip shop to surprise her. Less salt, more pepper. Abracadabra, vegetarian lasagna. Seems like the better option, don't you think?
Chip shops, pit stops. Chip shops, pit stops.
If you want a bargain, bake them yourself. There's a stealth shelf in the attic where I keep a vintage fryer. Actually, I'm lying, but I'm dying to see what you manufacture. Sex and a tractor.
Chip shops, pit stops. Chip shops, pit stops.